Continue coverage in Funny Car. We go with our sounds of the Strip.
But just qualifying in this Shark Tank is amazing, and now you're going rounds.
We were so happy just to be in the show, to be here on Sunday, to win a round like a... Tires are down.
Got him? But it's a change of our habits.
Yeah, it's everybody.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Arms getting tired.
Hold on. Your body.
White felon in the house is not in the field, not qualified this weekend.
You saw Mike Neff get in trouble right off the line. Beckman takes the win. Fast Jack runs a 4.87.